Tutorial on Responsible AI. Responsible AI refers to the practice of developing, deploying, and maintaining artificial intelligence, AI, systems that are ethical, transparent, and aligned with human values. This tutorial will cover the key principles of responsible AI, best practices for implementation, and case studies to illustrate these concepts in action. Key principles of responsible AI. Fairness. Ensure AI systems do not perpetuate or amplify biases. Implement measures to detect and mitigate bias in training data and algorithms. Transparency. Make AI decision-making processes understandable and accessible. Provide clear documentation and explanations for AI models and their outputs. Accountability. Establish clear lines of responsibility for AI system outcomes. Implement governance frameworks to oversee AI development and deployment. Privacy. Protect individuals' data privacy through robust data handling and storage practices. Comply with relevant data protection regulations, e.g., GDPR, CCPA. Security. Ensure AI systems are secure from malicious attacks and vulnerabilities. Implement regular security assessments and updates. Human-centric design. Design AI systems with the end user in mind, ensuring they enhance human capabilities. Involve diverse stakeholders in the design and testing phases. Best practices for implementing responsible AI. Bias mitigation. Use diverse and representative datasets for training AI models. Regularly audit AI systems for bias and take corrective actions. Explainability. Develop interpretable models that provide insights into how decisions are made. Use tools and techniques like SHAP, Shapley Additive Explanations, or LIME, Local Interpretable Model Agnostic Explanations. Robust governance. Create an AI ethics committee to review and guide AI projects. Establish clear policies and procedures for AI development and deployment. Ethical data practices. Obtain explicit consent from individuals whose data is used. Anonymize data to protect individual identities. Continuous monitoring. Implement ongoing monitoring of AI systems to detect and address issues. Use performance metrics and user feedback to improve AI systems. Inclusive design. Engage with diverse user groups to understand their needs and perspectives. Test AI systems with a broad user base to ensure usability and fairness. Case studies. Case Study 1. Mitigating Bias in Recruitment AI. Context. A tech company uses an AI system to screen job applications. Challenge. The AI system was found to favor male candidates due to biased training data. Solution. The company audited the training data and identified gender biases. They retrained the model using a more balanced dataset. Implemented fairness constraints to ensure gender neutrality in recommendations. Case Study 2. Enhancing Explainability in Financial AI. Context. A bank uses AI to assess loan applications. Challenge. Customers found AI decisions opaque and hard to understand. Solution. The bank adopted explainability tools to provide clear reasons for loan decisions. They included a feature in the AI system to generate user-friendly explanations. Regular training sessions were conducted for staff to interpret AI outputs effectively. Responsible AI is crucial for building trust and ensuring the ethical use of technology. By adhering to principles of fairness, transparency, accountability, privacy, security, and human-centric design, organizations can create AI systems that are both effective and ethically sound. Implementing best practices and learning from real-world examples can guide the responsible development and deployment of AI.